Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell from the title of this video, I am going to show you everything that I got from Ulta for 43 cents. 43 cents, I said. Well, let's just get into the video. I picked up all of these items from Ulta for 43 cents. So Ulta's point system is by far way better than Sephora's point system. I am what they call, I want to say platinum. I think they have platinum and then diamond. Sephora has Beauty Insider, VIB Rouge. You literally only get like deluxe samples with your points. Whereas with Ulta, you get to save all of your points and use them towards money towards a purchase. So what I did was I saved all my points from majority of last year. I did use like maybe, I think when I purchased the Anastasia palette, the Norvina Volume 1 palette, I used some points to get that. But I literally saved my points. Every time they had 5 times points, 3 times points on certain purchases, 2 times points, double points on this, 6 times points, whatever. They let you know, and you can, like say for instance right now they're having 5 times the bonus points on NYX products, right? If you need to rack up on some NYX products, you can and get 5 times the points on that. Those points turn around and turn into money. So I'm going to show y'all everything I got. My order was a total of $222 and some change. I had a 20% off coupon. Yes, I had a 20% off coupon. They sent me in my email, or no, they actually sent that in the mail. And then I turned around, I had $178 worth of points to use. And I want to say I still have more than that, but all I had to pay was 43 cents for 9 items. And I'm going to show you what I got. I'm going to tell you exactly how much this item costs. So let's get started. So here's my Ulta order. That's everything that I ordered. And I'm going to zoom in and show you exactly how much I paid. 43 cents. Okay, one of the first things I picked up was this Kylie Cosmetics Sippin' Pretty birthday palette. So I picked this up. This retails for $65. Comes with a full-size mirror. This is old too, by the way. I want to say it's maybe a year or so ago from birthday palette, but I've been wanting to pick this up. Should have picked it up when it was on sale, but I did not. Can't wait to play in that. Second thing I picked up was this Mario Badescu whitening mask. This retails for $24. I've been wanting to try that out for a while. The next thing that I have had in my save for later cart is this deep cleansing oil by DHC. So this is basically like a makeup and waterproof mascara, like oil based, like makeup remover basically. So you can use this. Some people cleanse twice, which I do. So you can use this to remove your makeup and then turn around, cleanse your face. So it's a cleansing oil. So you'll cleanse your face with this, then turn around and cleanse your face with your soaps or whatever else, your foams or whatever else you use. But I've been wanting to try this out. Actually, Aaliyah's face here on YouTube, she was talking about this and I've been wanting to try it for a while. And they have a smaller one, but I went ahead and got this. This one retails, I believe, for $28. Let me see. Yes, this retails for $28. Y'all, I kid y'all not. This is seriously like, I didn't pay anything for this stuff. 43 cents. Also picked up 2 pair of the Double Up Ardell lashes in the style number 113. These are buy one get one 50% off at the moment, I believe. These are $8.99 a piece, but I got them buy one get one half off. So yeah. Also picked up this Anastasia brow pencil in the shade Base 3. This one retails for $18. I actually picked this up to use as an under brow bone highlighter in place of concealer to see how that works. She only has 3 shades, so again that retails for $18. Also got to snatch up a Cover FX Power Play Concealer. This retails for $30. I picked this up in the shade G Deep 2. I've been wanting to try this one out for a minute too, so that's what that looks like. But I heard they're very, very, very pigmented, so we're gonna try this out. And the next thing I picked up was the Revolution Pro Ultimate Crease Proof Concealer in the shade number C10. It's the packaging here. Red Fairy here on YouTube actually had this on her Instagram one day. She actually showed me the Revolution Pro brow pencil, which retail for $8. They are super dope. So I wanted to try this out, but I got this in the shade C10. I heard this is a really good concealer to cut the crease with, so I'm gonna try that. This retails for $12, so that's a pretty good deal. Also, the last two things I picked up were from Makeup Revolution. They're from the Patricia Bright collection. She had two palettes come out towards the end of the year. This one is the Rich in Life palette, and this is the neutral shaded one, I want to say. But it's the 10 palette. Has a full-size mirror. Beautiful palette. And this actually retails for $25. I can't wait to play in this. Can't wait. And the last item I picked up from that Ulta haul is this Makeup Revolution Patricia Bright face palette. It's called Dusk Till Dawn. It looks just like the palette. This is the deepest one that she has, but it has a highlighter shade. I want to say a bronzer and a blush. So highlighter, bronzer, blush. So I wanted to try that out. And if it's too deep for me, I'll put it in my kit. Because I was looking at it, but I didn't want to get the next to last one and it not be deep enough, because that's happened before where I've gotten it and like I can't do anything with it. So I picked that up. And like I said, that retails for $12. So like I said, I got all of this stuff for 43 cents because I had $178 worth of points and a 20% off coupon. So all year I'm fooling with Ulta, period, point blank. Like Sephora, they want you to spend so much. I'm not even Rouge anymore. I think last year was my last year being Rouge because I didn't spend any money there. Like I literally did not spend any money there. And Ulta has been having so many brands come to them. Until Sephora has a sale, that's probably the only time I'm going to actually spend money there. Like they have got to get with the program and rewarding us for spending all that money. So it just makes me want to shop at Ulta more and more. Like I said, I'm shopping there all year. I have a bigger haul coming, and I'm going to save up more. I would have saved up more points than what I did. But I wanted to show y'all that because I thought that was crazy how I got 9 items, like $65 palettes, you know, $30 concealers, $25 palette, you know, stuff like that for 43 cents. All because of saving my Ulta points. So I hope y'all gonna start saving your points. Save them coins, honey. Save your points. Shop on those double days. Like take advantage of those offers where they say 5 times the points on Tarte if you purchase Tarte products or whatever it is. Because those points turn into money and it turns into an order where you don't have to pay for nothing. Basically tax. Maybe even tax. If even that. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. If you have any questions about anything pertaining to the products as well as like the point type of system that they have there, then leave a comment down below and we'll talk about it. But until then, honey, save those coins, sis. I'll see y'all later. Bye, beauties.